guys, how's it going? Today we've got a Kahlenberg D2 to look at. Now this is actually a ship horn, and when I say ship, I mean small harbor tug to like a large pleasure craft. So I actually used to work on the river, and the harbor tug that I worked on had a D2 on it. So the D2 is all bronze and brass construction. So the power chambers on it are cast bronze and they're really heavy. The bells are spun brass. So it's got a 6.5-inch diaphragm. And what's interesting about that is the diaphragm actually has holes in it, and the back cap bolts just go straight through and bolt the diaphragms in, and they just sit up against a brass seat. So with this horn, like I said, it's really heavy. A lot of weight on the rear end. It's got a real brassy sound, and that's what the rear looks like. Put some pictures up at the back caps. So anyway, the D in the name, the D2, so the D means dual trumpet. The 2 is the size. 2 doesn't mean the bells, how many bells there are. There's a size 2. So there's a 1, a 2, and then a 3 and a 4. The 2s are pretty common, the 1s are common also. Once you get to the size 3 and 4s, they start to get more rare. Those are for your larger like line boats or big harbor tugs or even a small ship. So with this is a D, this is dual. They also have S, which is single. D is dual. They have a T for triple and a Q for quad, which is 4. And they also have an F, which is for 5. So anyway, y'all enjoy this one. This is the Kahlenberg D2.